In the previous video, we had gone to the states of Mesozoic era and we stopped where mammals were about to evolve. Watch till the end to complete the evolutionary process. Welcome to our vision. When the dinosaurs were wiped out, it gave a group of small warm-blooded animals known as mammals the chance to survive. Mammals evolved from a group of reptile-like animals called pelycosaurs. The pelycosaurs lived long before even the dinosaurs in Triassic period. They look like lizards than mammals, but their link with mammals is clear from a special hole in the skull behind each eye. The first mammals looked like mice. They were the first warm-blooded species on Earth. Early mammals lived alongside the dinosaurs but avoided them by hiding in the day and being active only at night. The earliest mammals reproduce by laying eggs. Confused? We will clear it. By the Cretaceous period, mammals had evolved new ways of reproducing. The marsupials and their close relatives gave birth to tiny babies that developed outside the mother's baby for 10 in pouch. And if your confusion is not over, watch till the end, and if it's over, then like the video right now. Many early mammals were not carnivores or herbivores, but insectivores, surviving on a diet of insects, worms, snails, etc. etc. Glyptodon, Diprotodon, Cynodelphix were some examples of prehistoric mammals. Prehistoric bats such as Acheronecteris were not very different than avian hunted in the same manner, flying around in the night skies and swooping over places. Some scientists suggest that these early bats flew at night to escape the clutches of predatory birds. Prehistoric cats were just as ferocious as their modern cousins. Like modern cats, they had powerful, muscular bodies and sharp teeth for slashing flesh. Then suddenly half of the earth was covered by ice, giving rise to a new age of ice. Mammals like woolly mammoth, saber-toothed cat appeared. We will discuss some detailed information of Ice Age in some of our upcoming videos. In 2007, a Siberian reindeer herding came across a remarkably well-preserved frozen baby mammoth known as Liba. Her body was so well preserved that even the milk in her stomach were very clearly visible. Around 20 million years ago, Earth's forest began to shrink as a new habitat. This change encouraged the spread of plant-eating hominid mammals, many of which had special stomach. Megalosaurs, Megatherium, Craniaceous were some species. All land animals evolved from sea-dwelling ancestors that left the water and adapted to life on land. Whales are one of several groups. Finally, we started to evolve. The primates are a family of mostly tree-dwelling animals that includes monkeys, apes, and ourselves. The first primates were small, squirrel-like animals. Dryopithecus was about the size of a chimpanzee and spent most of its life up in trees. Cosmians is one of the earliest primates. Today, all apes, species apart from humans, live in forests, but million years ago it was different. In many ways, Australopithecus was like its very close relatives, the chimpanzee. It had a small-haired covered body, powerful arms for climbing. However, its hip, bone, and feet were like those of modern humans. Scientists once thought our ancestors evolved from large brains before they mastered the trick of business of walking. Finally, a species evolved around 1 million years ago called Trumpeters and Homo erectus, slightly different from Homo sapiens. Homo erectus are very similar in size and shape to modern human, with a tail, athletic body and long legs. It had a smaller brain than ours and a flatter forehead. The species of Neanderthals had large brains, language to communicate, clothing, weapons made of tools like stones, branches, etc. Then one day a lightning bolt struck on Earth, and thus fire was invented naturally. Gradually, Homo species learned to cook food, made houses, etc. They started to live in caves, hunting animals for food and used their skins for clothes. Fossil evidence and studies of our genes that our own species, Homo sapiens, evolved in Africa near about 20,000 years ago. Some rock art or cave paintings is the clear evidence of their lifestyles and natures. They evolved more and more. They learned to cultivate. The first thing which was traded as per evidence concerned was silk for a bunch of fruits. Then the rich traders evolved and became king. The sapiens started to vote for their leaders who ruled them. Electricity, faster transport system, gravity was invented, and else we all know what actually happened. So this was all about the origin of life full sequence. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. Like the video and please subscribe to our channel. Miss the first and second part? You know where to find it. I mean, check the description. Till then, be safe.